we're gonna start with our drill teams. Can I get Impact Drill up here? Dark Side. Please welcome Ellie, Evie, Madeline, Olive, Roman, Javian, Michaela, Lily, Remy, Maddox, and Jackson. They were taught by me, Dem, and Amber. They at Arise, they got a high gold. At PDC, they got a high gold. At Step Up, they got a gold. And at Nationals, they got a first high gold. All of these guys are receiving their trophies for their first team. So, we have Ellie. Wait when I call your name. Evie. Madeline. Olive. Wave at your fans. Hello. Roman. Javian. Michaela. Lily. Remy, Maddox, and Jackson. All right, do we all got our trophies? That was awesome. I love that. All right, everyone got their trophies? All right, we have captain's recognition pins for raise your hand high. Captain Javian, Captain Jackson, and Captain Michaela. Raise your hands so they can find you quicker. Cool. All right. All right, raise your hand if you hear your name. We have a Spirit Award going to Ellie. We have a Spirit Award going to Lily. Spirit Award for Michaela. We have a Performance Award going to Evie. We have a Performance Award for Javian. Performance Award for Olive. And Performance Award for Remy. We have an All-Star Award for Roman. All-Star Award for Madeline. All-Star Award for Maddox. And our ultimate for Impact Drill goes to Jackson. Awesome, congratulations you guys. You guys are amazing. We love you.